Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Aisyah binti Ahmad, and today we're going to talk about microbiological hazard that can be found in fried rice with scrambled egg. So we're going to start with definitions. First, microbiological hazard. It is defined as a danger or risk that happen due to the presence of microorganisms such as bacteria, parasite, or fungi that can be found in the environment, which may contaminate the food that are exposed or are not handled by a proper hygienic care. Next is microbiological critical control point, which is defined as a step that are identified to put a certain parameter such as temperature, time, in order to prevent the food safety hazard associated with the presence of microorganisms that may contaminate the food. And lastly is the definition of microbiological critical limit, which is defined as a threshold level of maximum or minimum value that to which a food cannot be below or above certain values such as temperature, time, and water activity, which may provide an optimum condition to the growth of microorganisms. Okay, next we are going to discuss hazard assessment in order of severity. The first step, which is CCP1, stew the ingredient vegetables and the rice and let it cook. The microbiological hazard that could be found in this step is Clostridium botulinum. The severity is extreme. The description: low acid preserved vegetables such as green beans, spinach, mushroom, which we use in the fried rice, have all been discovered contain botulinum toxin. The toxin is destroyed by heat. Thus, cooking is the best way and the best solution to prevent the botulism. Process step is let it cook with medium-low heat for 4 minutes, which is we take as CCP2. The microbiological hazard that can be found is Salmonella. The order of severity is moderate. Eating raw or undercooked egg or egg product is the common way to get Salmonella. The proper temperature and time for cooking egg should be 74 degrees Celsius and in 4 minutes. They cause bloody diarrhea, a fever, and stomach cramp. Next is CCP3. The process step is the cook scrambled egg. The microbiological hazard that can be found in this step is Staphylococcus aureus. The order of severity is very high. Description: scrambled egg has to be eaten within 2 hours after it is served during room temperature. Staphylococcus aureus can be developed in cooked dishes that have been left out at room temperature for more than 2 hours. The toxin produced by the bacteria are heat resistant and cannot be removed by cooking and have the potential to cause serious illness like pneumonia. We are going to discuss flow diagram of the fried rice with scrambled egg. First of all, at 10:30 a.m. This is raw material. We washing the rice and ingredient with water and then discard the water at 11 a.m. Divide by 2, which is the ingredient we will blend and then add into the pan, and we measure for the rice. We measure the water and cook the rice in the rice cooker. When the rice is cooked, we mix it and the stir ingredient in the pan and let it cook for 15 minutes. And for the scrambled egg, at 11:20, we prepare the ingredient. We turn on the heat to heat the pan and crack the egg into the pan, and then add some butter, salt, and pepper. Continue to scramble the egg, let it cook with medium-low heat for 4 minutes, and serve the cooked scrambled egg. Then, when the both of this menu is done, we serve it in a plate together. Okay, in summary, we are going to discuss cross-contamination factor. The first factor is poor handling of food product. This is occur when the food handler does not wash their hand thoroughly during the food preparation procedure. So they need to wash their hand and prepare for any proper hygienic care before starting the procedure. Next is food-to-food contamination. They have to make sure all the ingredients have to be cooked properly to avoid eating the raw material. And lastly, contaminated equipment. We must use different cutting board during each procedure and usually change the knife. That's all from me. Thank you.